Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you an unboxing from the company Beebeecraft. They contacted me not too long ago and asked me if I could review some of their products. They would send them to me and then I would do my honest review for you guys online so you guys can have an idea of where else to get additional jewelry, beads, and findings. And so I went to their website and I decided to order a couple of things that they sent to me. It took a little bit longer because this website is from China. And it took maybe around 2 months to get here. But I think it's because they sent it ground or like the slowest, because it's just a collaboration, like them sending stuff to me so I can review. But I believe if you do go online, they have different options for shipping. And what I'll do is I am going to go through their website in a second so you can see what their website looks like and what you can find on their site. In the meantime, I'm going to start opening this package and I am going to show you what is in it and what I ordered. Okay, you guys, so this is the website. It's very easy to navigate. You have new items, jewelry beads, jewelry findings, tools, supplies, strings, and you get materials and crafts and things on sale that you can absolutely purchase from them. But what I did was I typed in the word kits, and then you can definitely search through that and see that all the different variety of kits they have. This is one of the kits that I received from them. And as you can see, it gives you all the details on everything the box brings. It's a set of crystal Christmas beads, earrings, making kits DIY. And it purchased for $7.12. And again, shipping, it will depend on your choice and what you prefer. The other option you have is just typing in the number of the item if you have that. I will be showing some numbers of items that I received from them, so you can pick those from there and then type them in here and search them. This is one of the kits I also received from them, and I love this set because you can create 3 earrings, and these are gold-plated kits and they sell for $11.99. Another thing you can see is that they explain the materials that these are made out of. It says gold-plated brass materials, nickel-free, lead-free, and hypoallergenic. So the website is really easy to navigate. So come and check them out, beebeecraft.com. Okay, you guys, so I have emptied the bag where the items came in, and I ordered different kits. And these are 4 different kits, and I'm going to start showing you the first kit and what I received on the first kit. This is from Beebeecraft, and this is the number that you will need if you are interested in this kit. I hope you can see that there. And the first kit is like a mandala, a necklace is what it's called. It has a lotus flower, it has your tassel, your string, and additional items that you're going to put on the necklace. And look at the beads. These beads are gorgeous. When I saw this on their website, I was like, I have to have it. Check this out. Look how gorgeous those beads look. Isn't that beautiful? Reminds me of the cat's eye. That is gorgeous. So this could be potentially a video that I'll be creating. If you're interested in me creating this type of video, let me know. I'll be more than happy to create this one for you guys. Okay, this is the second item that I ordered from Beebeecraft, and here's the number if you're interested in ordering this one. And it comes in a little box. This one, I believe, let me open it with my scissors because I don't want to ruin my nails or anything. My goodness, there we go. Sorry. Okay, I remember this kit. I ordered this before Christmas, and because I ordered it before Christmas, let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. Let me move this here. Okay, I ordered this before Christmas time in December, and I wanted to create little angels with it. So this is the box where you can create like snowmen and little angels, and like, for example, these are the little wings that come with. You see that, how gorgeous that looks? Isn't that beautiful? So you would put your beads somewhere around here and you create your angel. So if you want to see a video of me creating these little earrings for you, then we can do that. This kit has head pins, ear levers. It has everything you need to create the actual jewelry. You have faceted, rounded, beads here in green, in amber, and white. We also have little rondelles here that have the actual, I don't know if you can see this, but it has like the actual little diamonds on the side, or you know, the little crystals, and that is also to create the design for the little angels and things. So that's pretty cute. Also have this one in green, and you have black, because we need these little toppers to create the hat for the snowman. So I know Christmas has passed already, but it's a great idea for next year. They're very inexpensive kit boxes. So if you are interested, let me know if you want me to create this one. Okay, the next item I have is another kit, and this one is to create earrings, and here is the actual number for it if you're interested in ordering from Beebeecraft. And let me open the box so you can see. There's also an earrings that I ordered, and I love, look at the colors. Look at this color. It's a gorgeous emerald color, and look at this amethyst color. Isn't that beautiful? White or glass crystal. They're like teardrops. They're gorgeous. This blue one is amazing. I have to say that the glass, the way they cut it, and the glass itself looks very, very nice. We have some green ones here just to match the other earrings. But you guys, look at this one. This is like a little chandelier glass. I hope you guys can see that the design is, the cut is just completely different. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the iridescent colors that it has. It's beautiful. Also brings jump rings, ear levers, eye pins in different sizes, because we will be using those. So if you're interested in me creating this particular set on a video, or earrings on a video, then let me know. I will definitely do that. And last but not least, this is the number for the last kit that I received from Beebeecraft. And let's see, which one's this one? Oh, this is gorgeous too. These are earrings, but the reason I ordered this kit is because of the color and the type of stone that this kit has for their earrings, the glass. Look at that. Look at that emerald green color, faceted cut glass stone. Oh my gosh, that is so exquisite and elegant. I couldn't pass that up. I love that green, so I definitely decided on picking these to create new earrings. So and these are the other. Look how, oops, look how beautiful this blue, that blue is. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to put it against my red blouse or my skin. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, but that is so gorgeous, and the glass cut is beautiful. It has a little stud on the back so you can wear it as earrings, and then this loop right here is to add additional links to it with like either a hoop, or if you want to do a little chain, you can do that. So you would have like the top part and then the bottom part with it. These are stoppers for your ear wires. Same, these look the same. These are teardrops, and then those faceted blue ones in there. I think this is a beautiful, gorgeous kit. So again, if you're interested in seeing this kit, then leave me your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to create this one for you. But I'll be creating a couple of videos for Beebeecraft. I think their findings on their website, you'll find everything in there. Very classy, very elegant, as well as very affordable. Okay, you guys, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are wanting me to recreate or create jewelry with any of these 4 kits, leave me your comments down below. I'll definitely be creating 2 or 3 of these on separate videos so you guys can see it. Again, this is from beebeecraft.com. And until next time, God bless.